Alrighty, next game. Gottlieb 300. Bowling game. 300. And it needs a full restoration. Looks like the plastics are all good. Yeah, not bad. Cabinet. Front door looks pretty good. I think this will clean up pretty nice. It's amazing how these games, it seems like nobody ever took care of them. They just keep playing them until they're in this kind of condition. It's hard to believe. Okay, we'll look inside. Okay. Going to put new flipper coils in. New kicker coils will go in. And new pop bumper coils will go in. Looks pretty good inside. Looks pretty clean inside, mechanically. See how the sockets look. Not bad. They're good. They don't spin, which means I won't have to change them. Beautiful. Okay. That's a Gottlieb 300. We'll be working on it and keep you posted. Okay. We'll see you soon.